Hey, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some pork belly burnt ends. Now, I was at my local grocery store minding my business, and this pork belly was calling my name. So the right thing to do was bring it home, cut it up, and get it on the smoker. So I'm cutting this pork belly up into cubes. This is going to make a nice bite, right? And then I got some avocado oil. Got to use this as a binder because I'm going in with some seasonings. The Kinder's barbecue blend, that's my favorite barbecue rub. Now use what you like, right? But whatever you use, make sure that you're generously seasoning it front and back, because you don't want nobody disowning you at no barbecue, right? Now, if you have not yet, smash that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications when I release my content. Now, the second barbecue rub that I'm using is a blend that I'm creating, I'm trying to perfect, and it should be coming out at some point in time. But again, go with what you like, right? Then get these bad boys tossed and get you a cooling rack, and you want to spray that with that avocado oil and get your pork belly situated on that cooling rack. And I'm gonna tell you, that cooling rack is gonna make it easier for you to take those pork bellies on and off the smoker. Now we're gonna let the smoke roll at 250 degrees, and we're gonna place these pork bellies into that grill. Now the first 45 minutes we're gonna come back and check, because this is absolutely crucial. You want to see how your meat's laying, and you might need to make some adjustments, just like I'm doing so here. Now after 3 hours, you're gonna come back and you're gonna see how they coming, and look at that color right there. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Now we're gonna place this in a full pan, and then we're gonna introduce these pork bellies to the pork's holy trinity, and that's a combination of brown sugar, butter, and honey. Now we're gonna get this wrapped up, place it in the smoker for an hour, and then we're gonna come back after that hour is up, bring it out, and then we're gonna see how it's going. So we got a pan for that pork gold, right? We're gonna drain this juice off. We're gonna keep a little bit in that pan because this is gonna help that barbecue sauce that we're about to introduce. Now I'm gonna list the ingredients in the description box below so you can make these on your own. As we get that barbecue sauce on there, we're gonna give it a toss, and this is 24 karat pork gold right here. Now we're gonna place these back into the smoker, and we're gonna let it roll for 10 minutes so this barbecue sauce can caramelize. All right, Focus fam, so here's the moment of truth. We got to get these pork belly off the smoker, right? But before we do, hey, thank you guys so much, 4,000 subscribers, and I just want to welcome all the new subscribers to the family, right? And for you people that's been rolling with me for a while, you already know what we got to do. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy off the smoker. I'm gonna get these bad boys off and let you see them. Look, that glaze right there, that's what you want right there. So now, Focus fam, you know you got to be extra, and then you know you just gotta make this thing look good for the people that you're serving it for. And these are your pork belly burnt ends, right? So just a little fancy, you know, little tray that you got. Now that's delicious, man.